Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel here, Alex here, and today we're going to do something very exciting, okay? We're going to do something very exciting, and you're going to like it. Let's do it. Let's go. You might know I might be I'm holding something, but yeah. I'm holding something in my hand. What is this right here? Well, you'll find out. Let's put this right here. And look at this right here, guys. Look. Sorry. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this beauty. It's a, yeah. Yep. So, yeah. I hope we can, get some great shots of this one. Come here, basketball. And, let's play. Do it, guys. Do it, guys. Can we aim the ball? Sorry, guys. Guys, can we aim for the ball now? Can I aim for the ball? Let's try. Sorry, guys. Can I reach? Okay. I can't reach. Oh. Let me just grab that. Bro. Let me throw it into the try to make this big. And yeah. Come on. Give me in. Come on, dude. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, okay. Ball in the hoop. Oh, look at it. It went right in there, bro. It went right in there. Thank you, ball. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Ball. Thank you, ball. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of traffic. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic, you know, around here. So, yeah, explains it. Make sure. Okay, let's watch the ball. Dude, that was great. Sorry. Okay, dude, I'm having too much fun, dude. I'm having too much fun. Sorry guys, I have to end it here today, so hope you enjoyed this video, okay? Sorry to cut it short, guys, but I need to practice on my basketball skills. Yeah, you heard me right. Basketball skills. So, yeah guys, that was very awesome. I think I'll close this video off for today. But who knows, guys? I might make 1, 2, who knows, maybe it's it. So I'm just gonna put you in my pocket for now, so I'll see you when I get back, okay? Okay, let's do it. Hey, dude. Yeah, yeah, hey, guys. Unless, you know, after playing basketball for like 3 minutes straight, that might be very right. Who knows? Who knows? Hey, girl. I forgot to introduce you to the girl. She's a bee. She's a... Look at her. Look at her. Pretty dog. You're a pretty dog. Can you see her? Yeah, she's a She's a good girl. We call her Bird Dog. She's a big girl. You know, we're just going. She's a bird dog. She's a bird. That's what we call her. Bird. Hey, bird. What's up, bird? What's up? What's up, bird? Yep. Yeah, that's pretty great. Who knows, you know? We might need some. The only thing good is we have some things in there. Who knows? Who knows? So guys, yeah. I feel like I'm see that, guys? It smells so good. Smell it, guys. You gotta get a great look at her. Let's go, let's walk like a fast man. Let's grab my flashlight. So you can see her, because who knows, you might not be able to. There she is. I'm sorry, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Who knows, yeah. Look at her. A pretty girl. Oh, look at her. Oh, look at you. Yep, that's what she looks like. That is awesome, guys. Do you agree with me, guys? Do you think she looks cute? Comment in the comments below. Who knows? Yeah. It's pretty great. Who knows? Yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, why not subscribe and like this video? Let's just... And also comment down below if you like this dog, because look at her. She's a good girl. So I can take a selfie with her. But, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, subscribe and like, and why not share with your friends? But also, guys, thank you all for watching, and goodbye.